to accept
Hit your right side more.
I know! They're just gonna have to accept me for who I am. Follow me, lint and all. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Jamie B. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. So today we are going to be going over February's Boxycharm. We're going to unbox it, play with it a little bit, see how everything is. And before we get into that, just go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can be instantly notified when I upload videos. I do upload videos 3 days a week at 5 p.m. Eastern time, right down here at the bottom of the screen. You want to make sure you do hit that bell so not only are you instantly notified, but you can become part of the hive. We have so much fun here. We do lots of videos. I do makeup tutorials, product reviews, hauls, fun challenges, all that good stuff you don't want to miss out on. And as always, if you are already subscribed, thank you. Welcome back. I missed you. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so a couple of things before we get into the video. I would like to mention three things. Three, Jamie. 1, 2, 3. 1, I do not have my nails done. I took the nail polish off. I went to get them done today and it snowed. And there was no nail place near me open. I tried. They weren't having it. I kept calling all day to see maybe if they came in late. They did not. They just weren't going to be there. Second thing, I have 2 friendly guys here and I'm a little red here. I don't know if you can see it even under the foundation because of my 85 Kylie lipstick swatches. I'll go ahead and link that video above so you can give it a look. And it caused me, I guess, from like wiping off my makeup and putting it back on, it caused me to have like some serious breakout and my skin got super irritated. My lips are super peely and gross. They're healing from all the wiping. But on to the third thing. So the third thing is I am going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. The only reason I'm still signed up with Boxycharm is because they have the Boxylux. Because they have the Boxylux now and it's every 3 months, but in order to get that you have to be signed up for this one. So I just stay signed up for this. The reason I kind of backed off from unboxing these is because one, you have like all of the channels that give out the sneak peeks. Boxy gives out the sneak peeks. So by the time I get my box or other people by the time I get my box to review it for you guys, everyone has seen it. Everyone knows what's in it. So I'm going to go ahead and review it for you for this month, but just leave me a comment below and let me know if you still want me to unbox them or if you're just not interested anymore. It doesn't offend me. I just don't want to be doing stuff that you guys are like, come on girl, we've seen it. All the sneak peeks have been spread. So, all right, let's get into the box. So again, it is $21 a month. If you are new or do not know what Boxycharm is, you get about 5 to 6 full-size products for the most part. So I do believe that it is worth your money if you are not if you don't have a huge makeup collection like I do. If you're just like a regular everyday beauty lover, then this box will be really good for you because you can start to kind of collect a lot of makeup and different brands and try different things without spending all your money. All right, so I did pull up Boxycharm on my iPad so I'm able to see the prices for you guys since I did not get a card. So the first thing I'm going to go into is the Cocoa Cabana cream. This is $20, so that's almost the price of the box. And I'm gonna open it eventually. So I did want to mention, guys, that I am going to be having a makeup collection video coming very soon. Just hold tight for me. I am doing a lot of behind the scene things that you guys kind of can't see that I just really want to get in order before I can do a filming, and then I will go ahead and I will film that video, and I promise I will get it up for you as soon as I can. So this is by Sol de Janeiro. I hope I said that right. Let me know if I did. Give me a big thumbs up. An instant rush of hydration for visibly luscious skin and lasting moisture. So the only problem is it is scented. I can smell it already without opening it. I have eczema, so I have very sensitive skin. So it smells like frosting. It looks like frosting. I don't know if you can see that or if the lights are gonna play you. Okay, see? So it looks like frosting, and I am worried it's going to make my hands kind of, ooh, what? Ooh, I don't like that. Ooh, y'all. Okay. So, it smells like butter popcorn. So, it is very hydrating. I will tell you that. It is very hydrating. It's not as sticky as I thought it was going to be from the way it looked. It doesn't feel like frosting, but when you first rub it on your hands, you're just like, what is this? Because it's kind of like, the texture is weird, but it smells like, you know those jelly beans, the peanut butter jelly beans? What are they, Jelly Belly or something like that? That's what that smells like. It's not good. I'm not a fan. So I will probably give this to my sister or my mom or my husband. He would probably even use this. But that smell, that'll make me sick. I cannot. Oh, that's a lot. So it is a Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. So this can be used all over the body. And again, this was $20. So if you are not sensitive to perfumes and stuff like that, then this might be good for you. I wish I would have read the ingredients, you know, the 30 of them that they have posted on the bottle, because my hands are going to start itching. I will have to wash that off my hands soon. So the next thing I will say about Boxycharm, and if you are listening, Boxycharm, hear me now. I am not a fan of getting beauty products in my box without boxes. So if you see how this was sealed, I really like that, because then I know that like I'm the first person to open this. But so like a couple of the next things don't have boxes that should come in unicartons. And I mean, I get it, they don't want to be wasteful because you're putting it in a box, but I'm really weird about those kind of things just being out in the open. And not knowing, like, this was just loose, by the way. I just had to tighten this a minute ago. So it kind of freaks me out. If you have sensitive skin or eczema like I do, anything like that, that cream is not going to be for you. I am already itching, and I've only had it on for a very few minutes. So let's move on to the next thing so I can wash my hands. So this is the No Problem Primer. No problem is what I'm assuming they're trying to say. But it is smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. This is Touch and Soul. I believe they sell this at Sephora. I don't know. Let me know below if you already know. So this is $18 and you get the full size. I mean, this is a pretty decent size primer. 1 fluid ounce. See what I mean? Like that had a crunchy come out of that. That's kind of, I wish it was just in the package. So it is this like creamy color, pink. And when you rub it in, ooh, that's nice. It smells weird. I don't know if it smells weird or if it's still that cream. Okay, so it is really smoothing. You're not going to be able to catch that. There we go. But it smoothed my hand so nicely. Ooh, and it's not greasy or thick. So I'm really excited to try this. I'll go ahead and I will give it a try and come back later on and comment down below and let you know what I think about that, but that ain't bad. So we will go to the next thing I see in here, which is a nude stick. Nude stick, let's see how much this is. So this is $24. $24 for this copper foil magnetic luminous eye. Oh, it's eyeshadow stick. It's probably the only one I own since like 2009. But this is a copper foil color, so that it's just an eyeshadow crayon. And I mean, it's pretty, but I feel like for $24, I don't know. Oh, it's not even twisty. You have to like sharpen it for no, I wouldn't pay $24 for this. I'm sorry. If you guys like it, let me know if you've used it before. So you could probably just smudge it out to kind of give it like a more natural look is what I'm assuming. Probably a bronzer if you wanted to. Oh yeah, that would make like a really nice bronzer. Quite honestly, I don't think it's worth $24. So right now we got a 1 okay, 2 I'll pass. So let's go to the next thing, which is the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. This is a super popular mascara. This is $24, I believe. It is $24. It is a really good mascara. I don't mind it I am not as in love with it as the entire human race, apparently. So the thing is, it does really amazing work for your natural upper lashes, or like if you're wearing fake lashes to blend your real lashes. It does really nice. But I do not wear this formula on my lower lash line. You cannot wear this formula on your lower lash line because it almost throughout the day like crumbles off onto my lower eyes right here and makes it look like I have black eyes. So I don't know why it's as popular as it is, because I kind of give it like an okay, not really a great. Don't kill me if you love it. If it's your favorite mascara, it's all you. It's personal opinion. I don't get the hype. I like the L'Oreal Voluminous, and that is like $6. This is like not. I don't think this is worth $24. This isn't where I parked my car. Alright, so the last but not least, I don't actually own anything from this company. This is pretty vulgar. Again, I assume it's supposed to come with a unicarton, and so should this. I know this should because I've bought it before. I don't like that they gave me mascara. This is the second time that I've gotten mascara that's not in a unicarton, and it kind of creeps me out because you have no idea if someone's opened it like that, closed it up, called it a day. Like, say they forgot their mascara while they were packed in boxes, decided to do a little swatchy swoo. I don't know, freaks me out. So Boxycharm, cut that shit. So this is the Pretty Vulgar bronzer, and this is $32, and I'm telling you right now, I don't care if you love this company. I know a lot of people love this company. This is the cheapest feeling, like it's just a literal light plastic. I've never held a bronzer that has been this light in my whole life. It feels as light as this Wet n Wild one, and this Wet n Wild one was $4.99. So that's the container for that. It's just very light. And this looks like it wants to be fancy. Like, if you look here, it looks like it has, like, all this, but it's so light. Like, this is the most lightweight. If I were to drop this right now, I swear to you, it would break. So, I mean, I haven't swatched it yet, so don't get me on that. But as for packaging, I would not pay $32. I would pick this up and immediately be like, where the fuck is the rest of it? $32? I want some weight to it. Alright, so like I said, I haven't used the product yet, so I'll go ahead and I will give it a try, just because I don't want to knock it before I try it kind of thing. But again, the packaging means a lot to me, because most of the stuff that I buy at this point in my collection is to simply collect it, whether it be for packaging or quality or whatever. But this, as cheap as this feels, it just really upsets me. This is Bronzed Bee, by the way, 113 Bronze Mannequin. And I think that this is right down my alley. Oh my. So let's try that again. This is right down my alley of color for bronzer. Look at that. Look at all that fallout and kickback. So that's another thing. That's way too much for a $32 bronzer for it to be doing all that. So, okay though. Alright. I'm here for it. The bronzing, the colors. I might have went too deep into the pan. I'm getting a little bronzer happy, so that's not bad though. Like, the color itself is good. I think what you have to do now, see, it's still giving a lot of that kickback, so just be mindful of that too, because again, this is a $32 bronzer. A lot of bronzers from like Too Faced and stuff like that are around that price, maybe a little bit cheaper, and have better quality packaging and better quality in the pan. However, I don't hate it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't hate the quality of the product itself once it's on my actual face, but I feel like getting to this point was kind of like, first, the packaging is really cheap. Like, you think it's gonna be so heavy, you pick it up and you're just like, oh. And then, like, the kickback in the pan. And by the way, this is the Morphe 530, the M530. I picked up this brush from Ulta, I think on accident the other day, and I'm telling you, I have been living for it as my bronzing brush. I'm not really sure what kind of brush it's supposed to be for, but it's for my bronzer now. I like it a lot. It's small enough for my face because I don't have a very large face. I used to use the really big one that James Charles had recommended one time, but I found that like my face is way too small for that. So this really gets in that area where I don't really have a lot of bronzing area. But back to the bronzer. So this was $32, like I said. I don't really think that this is worth $32. I didn't like this because, again, this is not for sensitive skin people or people with eczema. It irritated, all the scent and the perfume really irritated my hands. Like, it's so itchy right now. It is hydrating, though. So if you don't have those problems, sensitive skin or eczema or any other kind of skin irritant, then this is going to be okay for you and you might actually really enjoy it. So the Touch and Soul, I'm really super excited to try. I love how this felt on my hands and I can't wait to try it. And then the Nude Stick, again, I think it's okay, but for $24, I would not go out of my way to purchase this. This isn't a bad mascara, but I have found plenty of drugstore or cheaper alternative mascaras that I can do both my upper lash and my lower lash. This gives me a lot of like crumbly, nasty after effect throughout the day. This isn't even like later on at night I'm rubbing my eyes. This is like a couple hours within my work day and I look like I have a black eye because this is crumbled. So I stick to doing upper eyelid only because when I'm wearing just natural eyes, when I'm just wearing my natural lashes, when they're fake lashes, I like to just give them like an oomph. So this does okay, but again, it's $24. The L'Oreal Voluminous is $6 at Walmart or Target. So kind of weigh out your options. If you got it, get it. If you don't, head to the drugstore. That's where you need to go. So this box was okay. I think that a normal makeup lover, beauty, admirer person, everyday Joe on the street would really maybe like this box. For $21, you are getting well over what you paid for it, so keep that in mind. But as for me, I'm just not a fan because the only thing I'm really super hype about is this. So for me, the rest of the stuff is like, yeah, I'll just toss it in and probably not use it. I think for a normal everyday person, this would be a pretty good box. So that is it for my February Boxy unboxing and review, first impressions, testing, shit talking, whatever you want to call this kind of thing. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. Also, do not forget I'm getting super close to my 750 subscriber giveaway. Make sure you follow that video up above, and I will also link it in the description below to go ahead and do what you need to do to enter that contest. You don't want to miss it. It is a super huge giveaway. I am giving away a full Kylie bundle of the winner's choice. So check that video out for some more details. Also, if you guys are loving this look, I did this look. This is supposed to be like for brown eyes because it's green. It's supposed to pull out the brown in your eyes. If you guys are loving this look, I actually used the Laura Lee Holiday palette on the lid. And I used a ABH Soft Glam palette for the brown. And I used the Holiday palette for in here. So if you're interested in kind of seeing this look recreated, comment and let me know below. And I will go ahead and get that out for you because I haven't done a makeup look in a while. So I'm going to have to get one out for you. But I've been so busy bringing you some new products, letting you know whether you should waste your money or go get it and whatnot. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. You have a great weekend. Bye.